Psychology Assessment 19, question 11. What is the cognitive learning theory? Alright, the cognitive learning theory is a study of learning that involves the actual thought process of learning opposed to reinforcement and stimuli. So here it says opposed to reinforcement and stimuli. Here we are excluding reinforcement and stimulus, and we're also including reinforcement and stimulus. And so if you take into consideration everything that we've learned so far, we've learned about classical conditioning, operant conditioning, reinforcement, schedules of reinforcements, punishment. What are we attempting to do? Well, we are attempting to teach a certain behavior, or we're trying to teach an individual how to not behave in a certain manner. And so what is teaching pair with? Learning. All right. And this is where we go into different styles of learning, right? So we have relational style learning, group learning. We also have Lantern learning, observational learning. Okay. Now, the cognitive learning theory is a study of learning that involves the actual thought process of learning. So it's a higher thought process of learning, to be more specific. As I said earlier in the beginning of the video, we are including and excluding reinforcements and stimulus. What does that mean? Well, we're going to build up on top of whatever is conditioned from operant conditioning and classical conditioning, right? For example, we had a monkey, we threw him in a box, he hit a button, he got fed off the button. This eventually he learned as soon as he gets in the box, he'll go straight for the button because he's going to receive a reward, right? Okay, now we're going to discuss the actual learning process of acquiring that behavior, right? So not all learning has to do with trial and error. No, you can have observational learning, right? Just by looking. You've never had any practitioner, but you saw the behavior at least.